Let's open it up. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today we'll be unboxing what's just come through the post, a RUROC Atlas 4.0 Liquid Carbon. Now these are the first on the market. There's not many videos or images or anything like that of an actual real life scenario. Let's unbox it, see what's in it. Right then, let's crack on. I've been waiting a short while for this to come through the post, to be fair. Must admit, like the actual branding of it, the stickers, the RUROCs, like all like really nice packaging, to be fair. Let's get you in a better angle. We'll open it up. Premium integrated audio here. So I'm guessing this is like a generic box. Now I ain't gone for the audio. However, I've gone with a GoPro chin mount. We'll be doing lots of footage. Get rid of that. Next one is this bad boy. The question is, can we get it out of the box without ripping it? That's the question, isn't it? Oh yes. Look at the branding on that. Absolutely amazing. As you can see there, Atlas 4.0 Liquid Carbon. So this one is a medium to large. Obviously it's got the all the sizes, centimeter wise, and how to measure it on all on the website. Let's have a gander inside. Great, looking forward to this. Now I've been waiting about a month for this to land. We've even got RUROC everywhere, branding. Oh, look at that. Atlas 4.0 branding again. Must admit, RUROC, you're doing an amazing job at packaging. That looks the business. Just on the packaging alone. It's not just in a normal cardboard box. Designed and engineered in the United Kingdom. Atlas 4.0. Get started with the QR code there. We'll have a gander at that in a minute. Whoa. Look at that, ladies and gents. Wow. The branding on these helmets is something else. So we'll come to helmet in a minute. We'll have a gander to see what else is in the package. Little RUROC keyring there, little bike helmet keyring. Nice touch. Couple of silica gels. We won't need them. Not quite sure what that is. We'll have a gander what that is. Oh yeah, these are the inserts. Couple of visors. And that's about it. As you can see there, well packaged. Get to the business end. Let's have a look at the helmet. So what's in the box? What have I ordered? So I ordered separate. You do have to pay extra for this, a pin lock just for the visor. I'd recommend that if you're going to be doing longer journeys, especially in rain. Otherwise your visor will just fog up like mad. So have a gander at the visor that comes with it. So I believe there is one already on the helmet, but it does come with two apparently. So it does come with a clear one, and this one's a tinted one. Can't really see very good with the sticker on, but Well, that's going to look the business with the compatible with 3.0 and 4.0. Right, okay, so if you do have a 3.0 RUROC, you can keep your visors. That's nice to know. Let's get on to the business end. Let's have a look at this. I've tied this nice and well. We can pull that. I don't have a drawstring on like the other end. Come on, RUROC. We'll come back when we've done this. Oh, no, I've got it. Power of editing. We're going to just edit that out and make it not look like I'm struggling with ropes. But yeah, that's quite a bad design, that. There we are. The grand reveal, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready? Ho ho ho! Look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Now that is one of my favourite helmets I have ever had. Wow. The shine, the carbon fibre details. I don't know if you guys can see the detail on that. But honestly, that is something else. Wow. I am absolutely chuffed to bits with that. That is phenomenal. What a helmet. Let's chuck it on, see what it looks like on. So, ladies and gents, the helmet is on. It's a little bit tight on the on the way in to put the helmet on. It's nice and snug. It's nice and firm. It's not going anywhere. It's not loose. It does feel a bit compact here. Now my helmet that I've got at the minute is a Shark Skywall, and that is quite open. This one does feel a little bit compact, I'm not gonna lie. However, the overall feel of it feels light. It feels nimble. You're not gonna, on longer journeys, you're not gonna have neck ache because you're trying to hold it up. Absolutely phenomenal design. Well over the moon with it. Would I order it again? Yeah, I would. Absolutely amazing. I'll be going out for a ride, chucking the GoPro mount on, chucking the pin lock in, and yeah, nice one. Cheers, RUROC. So guys and girls, I just want to say thank you for watching the video on this RUROC Atlas 4.0. If you could like, follow, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff. It'll help the channel grow. I'll be launching loads more videos in the next coming weeks. We've got an exhaust video to upload, we've got a fairing video to upload, we're doing absolutely loads of videos, so if you could chuck it a subscribe, share it with your mate, share it with your dog, share it with your auntie, do all that kind of stuff. Thanks guys, peace and love.